So today's a good day. I'm actually headed to Waco, Texas, and the reason why I'm headed to Waco, Texas is because I'm going to pick up my first cart. Well, actually it's not my first cart, but it'll be the first cart that I take serious and actually build on, because I'm actually getting a Compkart covert 3R chassis, and it's about 95% done. Only thing I'm lacking is a motor. A little backstory to this cart. I've always been interested in karting, but about 4 to 5 months ago I got reintroduced into karting. And when I started looking online and kind of taking it serious and like, yeah, I'm really gonna go do this race car driver route, right? I'm really gonna take it serious at 31, right? Kind of late, but it doesn't matter. That was the first cart I came upon like online. I was like, yo, this is beautiful with the fluorescent, with the green, the yellows and the blues. Like, it meshed well, it felt good. Like, I felt like the colors meshed well with my spirit. And I always looked at the price. I was like, I ain't gonna be able to get that right now, at least, right? Maybe I'll give me a little beater cart, start on that, and then move my way up. But whatever, save a little money at the time, you know. And then I put out an in search of ad on North Texas Carters, and a guy wrote me and contacted me and let me know that he had a cart, you know. And he didn't know that I wanted a comp cart, but I feel like it was just fake. You know, he wrote me and said he had a cart available with a Cheetah 125cc motor, and it was a comp cart. It was an 18 model, and he's letting it go for a good price. Well, long story short, I jumped at that, and that's why we're on our way to Waco right now, to go ahead and get this cart. I'm really excited about getting this cart, because my goal is to start in LO206 and then work my way up. I originally wanted to start in the VLR class, the 100cc class, but I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and just start in the LO206 class, since I'm getting just a bare chassis, because I did work it out with him to where he can just keep the 125cc motor and just keep it, because I feel like there might be a little bit too much maintenance for me right now, just because of my circumstances where I live and just, you know, just things like that, right? But I'm gonna get it bare. The only thing is lacking is just a motor. That's it. But once I get my LO206, which is not going to be a problem, I should be able to get that next week. Then we're going to get that put on, and then once all this virus stuff dies down or whatever, then I'll go ahead and jump into the next races in the series and start my career and start on this journey and this path. So yeah, but stay tuned.
Before I continue, if you're in the market for a used cart, be sure to check out Illegal Alien's tips to buying a used cart. His video helped me out a lot in understanding what makes a used cart worthy of purchase. So make sure to check him out and give him a like and subscribe. As I said earlier in the video, once I was reintroduced back into the world of karting, this particular cart has been the one I wanted. So it was a surreal moment loading it up on the truck and bringing it home. This chassis is the Covert 3R model from Compkart. From what I hear, since 2015, Compkart has been taking podiums with their current lineup of chassis and providing good customer service in the process. Keep in mind, this is what I've read through my personal research involving the company, so don't quote me. Given I am the third owner of the cart, I did expect the cart to show some signs of wear. So my main objective when inspecting the cart before the purchase was to check the condition of the frame. The frame was in good condition. It was straight and showed minimum wear on the bottom with no signs of welds. The axle was in pretty good condition and is basically new since the owner bought a new one and installed it on the kart and has only raced it one time. The Micron 4 works just fine and came attached with all the appropriate leads. The brakes stop on a dime and show no signs of malfunctioning, but I do plan on bleeding them and replacing the pads in the near future. The spindles are in great condition and link well to the steering linkage. The tires are shot though, so I do plan on changing them before any serious racing is done. The sticker kit is well overdue for a change, but that can be easily replaced with the new 19 livery, as well as the steering wheel, in which I do plan on upgrading that to the 18 Covert 4R model wheel in the near future. Overall, I'm really happy with this new kart and I have no complaints. I'm really anxious to get out there on the track and improve my racecraft and dive deeper into the world of karting. If you would like to donate to this build or would like to offer any insight on the world of karting since I am fairly new to it, please feel free to drop a comment below or send donations to the link in the description. Once again, I do appreciate you tuning in and make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you.